Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or better yet, your channel. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the location and firing order of the cylinders in a BMW X3 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine from the years 2007 to 2010. Here, we see an example of an engine from that vehicle. To figure out the location and firing order of the cylinders, the first thing we need to do is stand in front of the car. Open the hood, look at the front of the engine, and the location and order would be as follows. The cylinders would be arranged like this. Cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 in a vertical line. The firing order would be as follows. First, cylinder number 1 fires. You'll find this one near the radiator. Next, cylinder number 5 fires. After that, cylinder number 3 fires. Then, cylinder number 6. This one's closer to the windshield. After that, cylinder number 2 fires, and finally, cylinder number 4. Even if you know the firing order, make sure that none of the cylinders are misfiring. So check out this video that's on the screen. See you soon.